I did not expect this. Look at that. It's a chicken fried steak. I wonder when the name changed to country fried steak. Dolly Parton's, huh? Alright. Maybe. You better make your own damn grilled cheese. That's crazy, man. Wow. Still got it here if you saw my other video. Oh. Ranch? Oh. Good Lord. Potato chips, pickles, and ranch dressing. That's like a pregnant thing, man. That's crazy. Jeez, jeez. Holy crap. This cereal. $8.99. My Lord. This is the one you see online. They get these guys advertising. Oh my goodness. I guess if they gave it to me,